And now, let's join Dr. Lawson in a live high-energy seminar presentation.
When you have a passion inside of yourself that burns like a river on fire, you'll soon come to know that that deep inner glow is your heart that is filled with desire. When you think of how others can learn from your gift on the job, when you think of how others can learn from the gift that you have and you really are ready to share, you'll know at the moment that you unveil your soul that you deeply and truly do care. But when you doubt that you have what it takes to succeed, and fear tries to keep you in jail, acknowledge the martyrs who laid down their life and remember they first had to fail. In order to win, you must first begin. Your ship must be set a sail. But if the pathway you're on appears crowded at first, you can get out there and blaze a new trail, because that's what your organization is all about. Oh, you can emulate others all throughout life, and you can follow whatever they do, but the genuine treasures of a quality life are the ones that lie buried in you. So it's time to network with people in life, to do what has never been done, by mentoring, by molding, by modeling with others as they rise to their place in the sun. Whatever it takes is what you must do as you set your own ship a sail. But just remember, if the pathway seems crowded at first, then you have to get out there and blaze a new trail. But in order to blaze a new trail, you have to be excited about blazing a new trail. You have to be motivated. Now, believe it or not, other people can't motivate you. Speakers who come in, they really can't do it. In fact, 99.9% of them, maybe I'm in that category too, have no clue as to what really motivates you. But you do. You're the ones who have to figure that out and decide whether or not you're going to work as a team, as members, so that your organization can progress. But by the same token, everything that we talk about, all the values, all the concepts, all the ideas that we talk about are inherent within each and every one of us, and they are just as applicable in our personal lives as they are in our professional lives. What dork came up with the expression that you've got to separate personal from professional? It simply doesn't work that way. Because all of the baggage that you are dealing with at home in personal relationships comes to work with you. Now, you may try to handle it in an appropriate fashion, but the bottom line is we've all been there, and we've either been through it, we're going through it, or we're going to be confronting it somewhere on down the road. It just happens. That's a part of life. But again, we have to be motivated in order to deal with it. Probably one of the greatest motivational stories I've ever heard in my life has to do with the story of graveyards. It's a story of a factory worker. He starts to work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and he works all the way up until 12 o'clock at midnight. And in order to get home, he has to walk a mile just to get past the graveyard. And after he gets past the graveyard, why, he has to walk another mile just to get home. And he decides that that's crazy. And he decides that he's going to pick a good, clear moonlight night and just take a shortcut right down through the middle of the graveyard. Well, he does that. And finally, he gets so good at it that he eventually wears a path down through there. So, as he's going down through there, one night, the caretaker, unbeknownst to him, or the sexton of the graveyard, had left an open grave right in the middle of the graveyard. Yes. He went walking down through there, and of course, he tripped, and he fell into the grave. And he started scraping and crawling and climbing, trying to work his way back up out of there. And after a while, when he realized that he wasn't going to be able to get out, he resigned himself to lie down in the dark corner of the grave. He took his coat, he pulled it up around his shoulders, and he said, I'll just lie here. The guys can come along in the morning. They can get me out of here, and we'll all go on to work together. Great plan! Would have worked just fine. Except pretty soon, another guy came walking down through there. And he did the very same thing. He tripped, and he fell into the grave, and he started scraping, clawing, climbing, trying to work his way back up out of there. And when it looked like he wasn't going to be able to get out, and he started easing up, the guy who was in the dark corner raised up, and he said, you can't get out of here, boy. But he did. Now,
For further information, write or call the number on the video case label.
Thank you and congratulations. Have a great day!